how to fix bank denied this transfer on Cash App. So I'm going to show you two fixes. For the first one, when adding money here, I'm just going to click on the bank icon. And if I select add money, make sure you have the actual amount in your bank account. Sometimes you try to withdraw more money than you have in your bank, and that's why you get this bank denied the transfer error. Now, another reason why you might be getting this is because your identity is not verified. So you want to click on your profile icon in the top right and then verify your identity if you haven't already. If it's verified, then just go to the personal tab and make sure all of the information here is accurate, such as your email, mobile phone number, your legal name, and address. If all of this is accurate and up to date, you should no longer get the bank denied this transfer error on Cash App. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.